I am James Sabu. The question document summary is I'll invite you here to get a requested standard key from you. If it doesn't matches the writing in this specimen that I have, you will be eliminated as a person of interest in this case. If you agree, we can continue, sir. I dictate the phrases you need to write. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I had to do this. Please water the plants. And care for my dog. Moonlands. I love you.